Hello, folks, students and professionals. Let's welcome back another important session. Okay. So, what is important learning to solve support issues? How to default printer for user and what is local printer and story in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Okay. So, let me explain you first what is local printer. Okay. So, local printer is nothing but, for example, user level, you will maintain a default printer to print certain documents like your what I would say order acknowledgement, and if you take SD level, and if you take delivery level, okay, sales order level, order acknowledgement or order acknowledgement changes, you can able to print in real time. Certain times you will have a pick list and pack list and delivery notification at a delivery level, delivery output, and invoice level RD000. Okay, so cash sales, like different kind of outputs will be there irrespective of any output for that matters. How to default printer for user? Okay, generally what happens, let me explain you with example. Okay, so if you are in the SAP system, you can able to see this. Let me create a one sales order with one or two line items. I'm just picking the sales area. Okay, probably I will take two line items. Okay, so if you go extras and output header, you can able to find this is the default output. Let's save this. Okay, this is actually done through output determination. Go to VA02 and let's try to issue the output. If you select this, okay, so probably you can able to see this in print option. Currently the output is configured with LP01, okay, with BN00 output type. Close this, and if you look at this, you can able to print here. Okay, whereas in print options, so what is the output device? LP01, it is configured. So now if you come here, you can able to directly print here. That's full request you can able to see in SP01 that I can able to explain. If you go to SU03, okay, SU03, if you come here, default LOCL, where actually in output determination, what is the printer we assigned? LP01. For example, that printer is not working, or else your local printer is not working. Either way, you can able to print out. You will get the issues like this. So when I make this local printer here defaulted, there is one transaction called SPAD. This is done by basis team. Okay. So what happens certain times if the output it is not working. Okay. Suppose if I'm deleted here. Okay. So you come here, same SU03 is the shortcut transaction code, or else if you come here, system, user profile, and click on one data, it will go to the same path. Okay. So default means, okay, here I'm giving LOCL, okay, print immediately. So this printer will giving priority at a local level, the user where is situated. For example, I have a sales area that has 01, H1, some distribution channel, distributor is there. Your distributor is located in India, distributor is located in USA, distributor is located in UK, distributor is located in Malaysia, somewhere else he might be located in. What is local for him, not the printer which is actually assigned to output type, that will anyhow will work for him. But local printer configuration means it will give the printout for that particular guy. Okay, or else in spool he can able to change it. Currently we cannot able to do this because we don't have setup. It's not a real-time system, but we'll get issues. That's what I'm sounding here. For example, if you come here SP01, if you look at here, this is the current spool request. It is waiting because the printer is not configured. Otherwise, it is printed. See, this is the local ECC server which doesn't have any printer connection, physical device connection. Such a cases it will be useful. So here, you can able to see a different way. For example, if I double click here, so LP01 where it is coming, if I change another printer, it is also failed. Okay, it won't be completed. This is how it works. But in this practice system, only LOCL is configured at output level that I can able to do it. You have a Windows, you have a Mac system, you have any operating system. For that, you will have a connection for this. That configuration need to be done. Then only you can able to make a work of your local printer. This is how it works actually. So just wanted to tell you about the configuration in SU03. Okay. So this is what talks about my local printer. Okay. So you must know this setting well. Certain times, certain issues come in support, probably maybe because of this setting. Okay, or else that setting fails, so you can able to reutilize these settings. See, printing issues, don't think that output issues are not normal issues. Certain times you will get dumps also. Okay, so certain cases it won't your document will not save to your database also. Okay, I think you got some quick learning for this. Probably you can able to check the same thing in real time when the system is available. Okay, this is all about my YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. All these are the different courses at my end. If you see this, currently I'm holding 5,500 students. So SD folks, quickly subscribe this course, 108 hours. Okay, you just completely go through the course. You'll come to know what is the effectiveness of this course. Completely 100%. This video also I'm adding over this. Getting master to write functional specification and idoc training. Okay, these are the two courses I specifically recommend. If you have doubts in pricing, you can able to do this pricing course, and this is one of my top course. And this is like S4 HANA screens I have configured with advanced level of concepts, and time to time this will be updated. If you are in 2024, be aware of that. By 2027, probably you have to learn certain things related to S4 HANA. Try to get some basics over here. All these course links I'm providing below of this video. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Thanks for subscribing my channel. And I would recommend you get continue with my channel so that, to get more knowledge about SAP. And I wish you all the best. Whatever I know, I real time I would like to add here. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Jai Hind.